Welcome back. Time now for the Financial Week. We begin with the news now in St. Elizabeth, where innovation meets agriculture as one farmer builds the Caribbean's first fully automated hurricane-resistant egg facility. Shamala Pullen reports.
It's the newest way to produce eggs in the Caribbean, and it's happening right here in St. Elizabeth.
This gives greater efficiency. So clearly we have seen the progression over time. We are seeing more of our poultry farmers who are in layers and in egg production doing better houses, using more systems that reduce water consumption and that lead to greater feed efficiency. This now takes it up a notch. As you see, everything is fully automated. The portions will be automated. The water will be automated, and the egg collection process, which is one of the areas where a number of our farmers have difficulty in terms of breakage and as such loss. The egg production process is automated, so that will lead to less breakage.
Poultry farmer and owner of Global Eggs, Osborne Bromley, with more than 35 years in the business, has invested millions in this state-of-the-art facility in New Holland, St. Elizabeth. The new egg farm is designed to house over 20,000 layers.
20,160 in each house.
So that will take up more than half of what you have up there?
No, we have 60,000 up there, but although we have 60,000 up there, because of the way you grow them, probably more than 2/3 of them not laying. But in this new way, you'll probably have up to 95-98% production at some stage.
Built to withstand wind speeds of over 160 miles per hour, the facility is also climate resilient, a key concern for farming in hurricane-prone regions. Mr. Bromley currently operates 2 egg farms, one in Springfield and the new facility in New Holland. But the older farm is on its way out, and this isn't just about local supply. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says the goal is to turn Jamaica into a major egg exporter across the Caribbean.
This is what we're pushing. This is a new era of agriculture. And I would have spoken about how we infuse technology into what we do. In order for Jamaica to truly compete, we have to become more efficient. It has to be private sector led, but government facilitated. So what we have been doing is through our production incentive program is working with private sector partners who want to bring in the technology in all fields of agriculture to facilitate that process.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.
One-on-One Educational Services has earned a major global accolade, landing a spot on Time Magazine's 2025 list of the world's top 350 Edtech companies. The Jamaican firm listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange was selected from over 7,000 education technology companies worldwide. One-on-One is one of only 2 Caribbean companies to make the prestigious list, both of them Jamaican. Edufocal, another local edtech firm, also earned a spot, reinforcing the island's growing reputation in digital education innovation. CEO of One-on-One, Ricardo Allen, says the recognition is a tremendous honor and a clear sign that bold, homegrown ideas from Jamaica can compete globally. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.87. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118. The pound is going for $216.60, while the euro is selling for an average $187.97. The JSE index advanced by 1,324 points, while the junior market index declined by 30 points. The winners included Sterling Investments, JMMB Group Limited 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Kintyre Holdings, Express Catering, and Mayberry Group. The losers included First Rock Real Estate Investments Limited US dollar shares, Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, Consolidated Bakeries, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica, and AMG Packaging and Paper, 11 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.